Welcome to La Bella Teodora in Bataan. Dine in with history and good food. One of the restaurants in the resort of Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, offering full-fledged Italian cuisine. Their pizzas that are baked in a wood kiln are highly recommended. In addition, it offers a variety of dishes such as appetizer, soup, salad, pasta, panini, risotto, grilled dishes seasoned with Italian traditional herbs and spices. The parts of the antique, such as the photos hanging on the wall, of the stone and the items of the vintage exhibited in the restaurant, are further emphasized. The luxurious interior is a nostalgic atmosphere reminiscent of the Spanish rule era. Enjoy a delicious meal at the La Bella Teodora restaurant after having a trip around Bataan, taking pictures and enjoying the best views of Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. Among their best sellers are carbonara, bolognese, quattro formaggi, or for cheese pizzas, salsiccia pizza, pig braccio, fritters of Yerika, tiramisu, and many more. If you're ever in Bataan, give them a visit and try their delightful dishes. La Bella Teodora is located in 89 Burgi, Pakesa, Bagak, Bataan. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.